Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about the top 5 DeFis which are expected to do from 3x to 5x in the coming run on the coming months. So you must have heard about Dollar Luna or Dollar Uniswap Luna. So these coins can up to go, like if you see Luna, it can go up to $80, $90. Even Uni can do 2x, 2x, yeah, maximum 2x, to around 100 to 150% in the coming days. But we are looking, we need, I'm going to speak about DeFi's which are going to do more than 3x, from 300% to 500% in the coming months. So one of the first DeFi which is expected is UN Finance or YFI. So Wi-Fi is a low liquidity coin and with a limited supply. And if you look at this chart, this coin Wi-Fi, it's currently ranging near $36,000. So it's actually that cheap. Once Bitcoin calms down, there's going to be a massive DeFi season. So once that happens, you will see this Wi-Fi go take a rally. Last rally it had peaked near up to 94,000, but this time I'm expecting it to go minimum one near 150,000. Wow, 150,000, yeah, which is 350% gains from the current price. But this is the minimum price which I'm expecting for the first coin, that is Wi-Fi. So make sure you have this token in a portfolio. So now the second DeFi which we are going to talk about, it's 1inch. So if you see, it's priced near 4.382 dollars. So near 3.5 to $4 was a good pick for 1inch. And in the coming days we can see $1inch to range near $18. And $18, when I speak of $18, I'm speaking conservative. It can go up to 20, $25. So you can easily see this coin go 3x to 5x in the coming days, in the coming months too. So this is the second DeFi which I recommend. Currently, its market cap rank is near 127th rank, and this can be in the top 50s easily. So this is one more DeFi which you have to keep in a portfolio for the DeFi season, which is going to come in the coming months. So this is the third recommendation, and this is my favorite pick for the DeFi season coming, and it's Dollar Gotti. So we had picked earlier Dollar Gotti at a really cheap price, and currently, if you look at its chart, it's currently priced near $0.52, and I still feel this is still undervalued Dollar Gotti because it's only 170th rank according to market cap, and I'm expecting in the DeFi season, dollar quote to range near 2.5 to $3 range. So even if it's dollar quote starts this rally from, it will go up to 2.5, which is around 400% from its current price. So buying quote below $0.5 is a good grab, and it's good to have dollar quote in your portfolio. So now the fourth recommendation of DeFi, it's Mbox. So Mbox is a gaming token, it's NFT, and it's maybe a few months back it has been listed on Binance, and it's nearly current market near 360. So this is, according to me, this coin is currently undervalued for its project. You can see the cool NFTs, the gaming NFTs. And there are a lot of games to which you can play. And I like, if someone asks me what is the chances of this being next Axis, the probability is really high. You can easily see this token in top 50, and let's look at its chart. If you look at its chart, it's currently priced near $4.4, and for me it's undervalued. I can call this easily undervalued, and I can easily, like, I'm ready to pay this even $15 in the coming days. If it ranges up to $10 to $15, I'm ready to buy this coin at that price too, because of its token. There's NFT, there's gaming NFTs, and it's yet to be listed in Coinbase too. And you can see this token can range up to $20 to $25 this run. And with a DeFi rally, an NFT rally, and the gaming tokens rally, in any of these rallies, this token can start pumping, and we can easily see it near $20 to $25, I feel. And it's good to have this new token in your portfolio. So the fifth pick of the DeFi is Orion Protocol. So I spoke about Orion Protocol a lot of times, and its token $ORN, and I even tried using its terminal, which is, yeah, it needs improvement, but it's currently at an early stage, and there are 18 revenue streams, and expecting it to have a good rally in the coming days. Let's look at its chart of Orion. So it's currently in a 260th market cap rank, and if you look from the past, maybe June, yeah, from May 20th something, it has entered an accumulation zone, and for the past few months it is inside this zone. So once we break out, we are going to see over and rally. This rally can last up to a week. So we will easily see Orient break out from this, and then will start having a rally. And I'm expecting to be near $45 to $50. I'm speaking conservative in this run because I'm expecting only wow, like maybe the rally to expecting the ALT season to be near December to January. So based on that, I'm expecting Orient to range near $45 to $50. Yeah, I'm conservative because the project is still under development and there's a lot of improvement yet to be made. But this is one of my favorite DeFi, and I own a lot of ORN in my portfolio, and I'm expecting this token to range near $500 to $600 maybe by 2025 to 2026. So for long term hold, you can pick this token near $3 to $4. And if the team executes what it's saying, Orion could make you rich, maybe a million or two. So make sure you have this in your portfolio. And for long term hold, you can obviously buy it in a bear market near $3 to $4, and you can stake it for a good API on its terminal. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed the 5 picks.